everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add YT filter on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps and add a video that you want to edit. And for add the filter, so you just click on the filters at the bottom. And then in here, if you wanna add a YT filter, so you just click on the food. And then in here, you can see YT. You just click on it. Okay, and after this, in here, you can see this is the before without filters, and this is the after without with filters. And after this, in here, you just click on the check icon at the bottom. And now you can setting the filters until the end of the video. And finish. So that's how to add YT filters on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.